हाँ नेक्स्ट, चलो फोन रखो, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, डायरेक्शन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 to 93, वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम फिलहाल, ठीक है। देर आर, again as I said before also, there are two types of reasoning, two types of questions that are involved in reasoning ability. One is verbal and second one is non-verbal, ठीक है। verbal means when someone tells you कि like कि the problems on the ages, ठीक है, the problems on the ages कि if a person is of so and so age now and what will be his age after so and so years, ठीक है, that is verbal. verbal means बोल के, क्या हो गया भाई, माउस माउस गया, कुछ नहीं, हाँ। So that is verbal. And non-verbal means this type of questions. The figure will be given and we know the direction will be given, the figure will be given, and we know what to do it. ठीक है? Any doubt in the direction? No, na? We have to find out the figure that will fit in the question mark. Jian, see, we have to like just see this figure, ठीक है, and just rotate it, ठीक है, and just rotate it. So it will be, see, any doubt in this? Any doubt? No? Okay. Next, see, it should be like this. Okay, I'll use another color. Pink. Hmm? D. Right? And what? What is the answer? D. D? Yeah. While appearing for the paper, you are not supposed to write on the screen. Okay? You are not supposed to write on the screen. What you have to do is you have to just make a picture in your mind. Three, no? Hmm. What will be the answer? Be confident. Um, अरे वाह, there should be two stars and simple. No, except for this, no one has two stars. And wait, हाँ, बराबर. Here there are two lines and here only one line is there. खत्म. Next, the direction for question number 94 to 97 is, in the following questions, select the figure from the set of answer figures which would come in the place of question mark. ठीक है? What will come in the place of question mark? We have to find the relation between these two first. We have to find the relation between these two, then we will get the relation between these two. ठीक है? This is simple math. It is like ratio. हाँ, we have to find the relation between sorry, हाँ, this two and this two. ठीक है. First, what we can see is this part is coming into the center. ठीक है. So this will come here. ठीक है. और the shape it is being rotated how many degree? कितना किधर है ये? हाँ, it was like this and it is going like this. It is being rotated 90 degrees. So this or this. ठीक है. One is done. And when it comes to this arrow, it comes here. Again, it is going 90 plus 45. है ना? 135 degrees. It is being rotated. This arrow here. ठीक है. So this will come here. It is being हाँ, ऐसा घूम रहा है ना वो. तो इधर से 90 और इधर से इतना. तो it will come here. वाह. So ये कट हो गया. एक कट हो गया. सी ऑप्शन कैसे पे? वाला क्या होगा? हाँ, सी ऑप्शन कट हो रहा है. हाँ. बी. श्योर. व्हाट वी विल फोकस ऑन इज कहा गया? दिस वन. ठीक है. दिस इज गोइंग अपवर्ड्स एंड इट इज बीइंग रोटेटेड हाउ मच? अगेन कितना? ये 90. 90 और 1. क्या हुआ? कंफ्यूज हो रहा है. हम्म. क्या 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 क्या? अरे वो स्टार वाला किधर से आ गया? नाम और शामिल इसी में. हेलो. वही ढूंढ रहा हूँ, स्टार किधर है वो? कौन सा स्टार? अरे ओके ओके ओके. सुनो 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 सुनो. बैठो बैठो. नाइस नाइस क्वेश्चन, नाइस क्वेश्चन. अभी मेरे को एक बात बताओ. यहाँ ये जो पोजीशन है टी का, यहाँ पे है? फर्स्ट वाले में है टी का? है. तो इन शॉर्ट यहाँ पे जो रहेगा वो एक नया फिगर रहेगा. हाँ, तो एक तो ये एक नया फिगर है और ये एक नया फिगर है, तो दोनों अभी वैलिड है. फिलहाल अपने को क्या ढूंढना है? ये वाला या फिर ये वाला नीचे वाला. ठीक है. ऊपर वाला या नीचे वाला ढूंढ निकालना है. समझ में आ रहे हो? समझ में आ रहा है ना? इज इट कंफ्यूजिंग? नो ना? अरे मेरे को जाए. हाँ, एकदम मारूंगा ना तुम लोगों को पकड़ के. हाँ, नीचे वाला ऊपर जा रहा है. नीचे वाला सबसे पहले ऊपर जाएगा. हाँ चलो. ये वाला जो फिगर है थर्ड वाले में, ये वाला जो ऊपर जाएगा, तो उसमें ऑप्शन क्या है? बी. अच्छा, बी और ए दोनों है क्या? वेरी गुड. मेरे को कंफ्यूज करने का काम बढ़िया कर रहे हो. वो कितना घूम रहा है नीचे वाला? 90. 90 प्लस 45. 135. उल्टा यहाँ पे 145 घूम रहा है. तो वो घूमेगा यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे नीचे. तो ऑप्शन बी है आंसर. यहाँ पे घूमेगा, है ना? यहाँ से लेके यहाँ पे, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ पे 45 और यहाँ पे इतना 90. तो इधर आएगा. तो ऑप्शन बी इज द आंसर. तुम्हें इतना इतना सब कुछ देखना पड़ेगा. लॉजिक देख रहे हो? कितना सारा लॉजिक लग रहा है उसमें. सिर्फ एक ही इसमें से आंसर नहीं आ रहा है. समझ में आ रहा है? ये यू गेटिंग इट ना? ठीक है. when you solve this type of problems ना, you have to. Hmm. When you solve this type of problems now, you have to like check all the logic that is possible here. ठीक है. And also you have to check for this also, this वाला solution also. But now we got the answer. I'm not checking it. ठीक है. Elimination method. तुम बच्चे हो यार, सच में बच्चे. छोटे छोटे से गोद में लेके घूमने वाले बच्चे. हाँ. नाउ नेक्स्ट. यस बोलता है. नेक्स्ट. सबसे अंदर. सबसे अंदर ये जो बीच वाला है वो अंदर जाएगा. और अंदर जाके इन्वर्टेड हो जाएगा. ये ऊपर वाला नीचे आएगा, नीचे वाला ऊपर जाएगा. ठीक है. तो ये नीचे वाला ऊपर, ऊपर वाला नीचे. नहीं नहीं, ये उल्टा घूम रहा है. ऊपर नीचे नहीं हो रहा, उल्टा घूम रहा है पूरा. तो इसमें घूम रहा है। नहीं, इसमें नहीं है। ध्यान दो। एरो नहीं है यार, क्लियर करता हूँ। ध्यान ध्यान से देखो। ये जो फिगर है ना, टू टू फिगर है ना। एग्जैक्टली, ए और सी नहीं, बी और सी। ये देख। ए और सी सर, तुम लोग सुनो पहले। देखो ट्रायंगल जो है ये उल्टा हो गया, समझा? तो फिर ऑप्शन ए और सी नहीं आएगा। हाँ, ट्रायंगल ऐसा है। नीचे ये फर्स्ट वाले में ऐसा है, सेकंड वाले में ऐसा जा रहा है। यहाँ पे जो फिगर है उनकी वाली, वो ऐसे सीधी हो जाएगी ना। इधर ट्रायंगल। और ये दोनों में हाँ, बी, ए कट, ए कट, डी कट। हाँ, ट्रायंगल किधर से आएगा? अरे पापा, मुझे समझा, तुम्हें समझा क्या? यस यस, मैं इसीलिए तो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को एक्सप्लेन करते नहीं आ रहा तुम लोगों को। ये वाला जो फिगर है बाहर वाला, सेकंड वाला, वो बाहर है। ये वाला अंदर है। तो ये वाला बाहर रहेगा और ये वाला अंदर रहेगा। ऑप्शन क्या है? ये वाला बाहर मतलब। क्यों कंफ्यूज करा रहा हूँ मैं? कुछ गलत बोल रहा हूँ क्या? ये वाला बाहर है और ये वाला अंदर है। ये वाला इन्वर्ट हो रहा है ना? जो जो फिगर है बाहर की, वो इन्वर्ट हो रहा है। हाँ। तुम लोगों को ना ये एक्सप्लेन करने जाओगे, तुम लोगों को डायरेक्ट आंसर आ रहे हैं, वो बेटर है ना? हाँ। यूट्यूब के चक्कर में मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता, मतलब तुम्हारा जो समझा है वो नहीं बिगाड़ सकते अपन। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट। 96 आंसर। थोड़ा सा ध्यान दो, यू विल गेट द आंसर। हम्म। 96। अरे यार, इतना समझ लो सबसे पहले तो। कहा क्या? ये यहाँ घूम रहा है, ठीक है। हम्म। ये यहाँ घूम रहा है। तो ये कहाँ घूमेगा? यहाँ घूमेगा। यहाँ घूमेगा कि यहाँ घूमेगा? हाँ, यही घूमेगा, सब यही घूम रहा है। सभी इस तरफ है ना, तो इसी तरफ घूमेगा। ऑप्शन ए। कौन सा किधर आया? हम्म। उसके बाद ये ऊपर जाएगा, ये नीचे ही रहेगा, ये एक एक डॉट उधर ही है। समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ। उसके बाद अभी अगर ये दोनों मैच हो रहे हैं, तो ये दोनों मैच हो रहे थे, अभी ये दोनों ऑपोजिट हो गए। ठीक है, जहाँ पे कर्व्ड साइड एक साइड में सेम था और एक साइड में फ्लैट सरफेस सेम। ठीक है, वैसे ही यहाँ पे अभी फ्लैट सरफेस है, तो कर्व्ड साइड आएगा। हर जगह कर्व्ड साइड है, पर वो वैसे के वैसे रह गया। ठीक है, तो अभी मैं ये क्लियर कर रहा हूँ, अभी अंदर का देख ले। प्लस साइन। प्लस साइन क्या हुआ? अभी इसको ऐसा स्क्वायर समझो, ठीक है। इनको स्क्वायर समझो। प्लस साइन सबसे पहले नीचे आया, ये इधर गया, स्क्वायर ऊपर गया, ये इधर आया, प्लस को इधर ले लो। कुछ तो गलत हुआ है। अच्छा हाँ, ये इधर घुमा है ना, सॉरी, ये इधर घुमा है ना, तो ये प्लस इधर आया, ये इधर गया, ये इधर गया, ये इधर गया। ऑप्शन क्या है? ए, सिर्फ। समझे? तुम लोग को ना ये फिगर वाला, तुम लोग को ना कंसेप्ट समझ में आ रहा है कि मेरे को इतना बताओ, क्योंकि यहाँ एक्सप्लेन करते नहीं आ रहा, वो मेरे को भी समझ में आ रहा है। എന്ത്? ആ അതിങ്ങനെ കറങ്ങുമ്പോഴേ ആ അതന്നെ. अभी ये देखो, ये 97 छोड़ दो भाई, ये वाला फिगर और नहीं करना, ठीक है? क्वेश्चन नंबर, ऐसे नहीं करना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 98 to 100. In the following questions, choose the figure which does not share the common feature with the other three figures. Find the odd man out, in short.
Actually,
98. Option A. Because in all the above wheels, there are even number of spokes. ठीक है? ये इवन है, चार है, क्योंकि इधर छह है, इधर चार है, इधर, हाँ।
ये ऑप्शन था।
हम्म
अंदर के जो सर्कल है ना,
हम्म
वो क्लॉकवाइज घूम रहे हैं, और डी ऑप्शन का नहीं है।
घूमने, in this type of figure we don't have to see how it is moving or how it is rotating or whatever. We just want to see what is common between them. So number, size, all that thing matters here. ठीक है? In the other figures they are moving. Getting my point? In the other मतलब in the previous one, not in the other one. हाँ, here. अभी यहाँ पे सेम लॉजिक लगेगा. 99, 99, almost same logic. What will be the answer? C. 100th?
अरे तीन है उसमें, बाकी में चार, टू इवन नंबर सेट में दो है, तो चार है इसमें। मतलब सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन सेम है।
ठीक है? अरे बाबा, 100. 100. If your brain, अच्छा, let's imagine your brain is a thali, ठीक है, a food plate, and there might be something that you don't like, there might be something that you like the most, हाँ, ठीक है? So that you don't like would be the thing that you will be giving the least preference, ठीक है ना? So whatever logic you will be giving the least preference is the answer here. D. Why? Exactly. Because in all the other figures, at least one of the curve is facing other side. But in D, on one side, all the curves are facing to the one side only. ठीक है? So when you're solving this type of question, just imagine that the worst part of your brain should be working. ठीक है? I will start with maths. No screen is seen ना? किधर जा रहा है? ए, जल्दी आने का, 2 मिनट के अंदर. So we are going to start with maths. Okay. So I will be giving you the questions, whatever the questions we will be solving here, because we are not going to share the questions here, but we will solve it here. Okay. I will share it here and we will solve it here. So, first question. A can do a piece of work in 24 days, while B alone can do it in 16 days. With the help of C, they finish. नहीं, ninth हो गया था. Okay. No. Sorry. Okay. First of all, what we have to do is whenever we are going to solve question based on time and work. We are going to solve questions on time and work. As I said already, that time and work and time and distance are going to have the most weightage in the exam. Okay. So we are going to solve for now. We are going to solve time and work because it is the easiest thing that you can do right now. Okay. And we will solve 5 questions of time and work, and then we will go for simple interest, which is again one of the simple concept that you can do, that you can prepare for your AFCAT. Getting my point? Time and work. First question. If A can do a piece of work in 20 days and B can do it in 12 days. Okay. First condition, what we have to write is given, right? So A, B. A can do a piece of work in, okay. A can do a piece of work in 20 days and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. Okay. This is first thing. And now what is the second thing that they have said is B worked at it for 9 days. B worked for the work, like B worked for 9 days. Okay, alone. There is no mention of A. And in how many days A alone can finish the remaining work? If the work is done by B for 9 days, in how many days the remaining work will be completed? ठीक है. अभी कोई डाउट, क्वेश्चन में कोई डाउट? First of all, what we have to do is, yes, total work and efficiency. So what we are going to do is, if in simple language I will explain it. Do you play football? You like football? If you have 20 days in your hand, ठीक है, and she has 12 days in her hand, and you both have to score equal number of goals, ठीक है, what will be the equal number of goals that you will be scoring in 20 days and in 12 days total? 20 and 12's LCM 60. That means per day you will score 3 goals and per day she will score 5 goals, because she has 12 days and you have 20 days, right? Okay, so that is LCM, that is 60 goals. Confusing? Confusing? A little bit confusing, right? Okay. What we are doing is we are trying to find out the total work. Total work, why? Because if we will know the amount of work, it is easy for us. There are at least 10 formulas, as I remember. I'm not sure, but there are 10 formulas for every different situation in time and work. But if we will solve through this formula, there is only one formula for every type of solution. Okay? So which is better, to learn one formula or to learn 10 formula? One formula. Okay. So that one formula is this. What we are going to do is, we if in simple language, if you have to complete a work in 20 days and she has to complete the work in 12 days. Huh? If you both work together, in how many days it will be completed? 22, 32. We don't add days, na. If you both are working together, the days will be less. जब രണ്ടുപേരും ഒരുമിച്ച് ലൈക്ക് പണി ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വർക്ക് കുറയില്ലേ? താൻ എത്ര ചെയ്യും അത്ര അവൾക്ക് ചെയ്യണ്ടല്ലോ. അങ്ങനെ സിമ്പിൾ. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ടീം വർക്ക്. ठीक है? Getting my point? हाँ. Don't play with your pen. Listen carefully. हाँ. When you do that, na, your focus is there at that time. Yeah, there are viewers. अच्छा, देख. ठीक है. So in simple language, हाँ, here it comes. I was telling it to you, na. Last time also I told you. If you don't know how to find LCM, if you don't know how to find LCM, when there are two numbers, simple. When there are two numbers, not two numbers, we have to find LCM of these two numbers. What you will do? The best, multiply them. Directly multiply them. Don't think about anything else. That is not the LCM, but still, for time and work, that is the LCM for us. We don't have to waste our time. है ना? When we are solving time and work, that is our LCM. We will think that our LCM is that. What is 20 into 12? What is 20 into 12? 240. 240. 240 is the LCM for us now. ठीक है. और common multiple means you know ना. That means 240 appears in both the numbers, both the tables. In 12 table also and in 20 table also. So efficiency. Efficiency means what? Again simple. If you have to score 240 goals again. Now total number of goals we got. You have to score 240 goals in 20 days. Per day, how many goals you are going to score? 240 by 20. What is the answer? हाँ, 20 multiplied by 12 is 240, then it answer will be 12 ना. अरे 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 फुटबॉल भाग रहा है इधर उधर. एस 12. मैं 20 लिखने वाला था पहले. 12. And here, if you have 12 days, 240 goals. 20. So in short, if you both are going to play together, ठीक है, A and B, you both are going to play together. You are scoring 12 goals per day. She is scoring 20 goals per day. When you both will come together, how many scores? How many goals will be scored? How many goals will be scored? कितना? Per day. हाँ, 12 plus 20. हाँ वही ना. अच्छा उसने 240 बोला पहले.
12 plus 20 बोला सर.
मैंने 240 सुना, माँ कसम 240 सुना, इसलिए मैं बोला भी 240 बोला करके. हाँ. So that will be 32. ठीक है. So that is why we find out efficiency, because we can add efficiency. We cannot add days. है ना? Getting my point? Is it confusing? पक्का? I can explain it if you want. Got it? हाँ. Now what we will do is, now we will go for the second conditions there. Like whatever conditions are there now. कि now A will work for 10 days, B will work for 20 days, 30 days, 40 days. They will work together. Huh? Whatever it is. If they are working together, what will be? What we will be doing? 12 plus 20. We will be adding it. If they are not working together, they are working alone, then we will divide it by whatever their efficiency is there. Okay, we are just finding out per day whatever work will be done by them. Okay, so what is the second condition here? What is the condition given here is B worked at it for 9 days. 9 days he worked. B worked for 9 days. B into 9. Okay, B worked for 9 days. That means Zayan, right? Zayan, you are B. Okay, you are scoring 20 goals per day. Hey, चुप रहे. And in 9 days, how many goals you are going to score?
I scored 20 days.
You for 9 days you scored 20 goals. 20 into 9. 180. You score 180 na. Like 20 goals today, 20 goals tomorrow, 20 goals again, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20.
Then I'm going 20 goals and
Per day you are going to score 20 goals. ठीक है. That is what they have said na. Like we are imagining that B can score 20 goals, and it is said that for 9 days only B played. ठीक है, मेरा काय का पीपीटी यूट्यूब ठीक है. Now 180, that means हाँ, sorry. Now what question says is 240 goals has to be scored. B will play for 9 days. ठीक है. Then B is Neymar. ठीक है. Someone kicked him and Neymar is like, I cannot play, and he's sitting outside. Now who will come instead of Neymar? Messi will come and play.
Messi is already playing. So we'll bring.
We will bring Yusuf. We will bring Yusuf inside. Yusuf is going to play instead of Messi. ठीक है. Now Yusuf has to score remaining goals. Remaining goals is what? 60 goals. 60 is remaining, right? 180, 240 minus 180, 60 goals are remaining. And Yusuf is not as good as Neymar. Yusuf can only score 12 goals per day. In how many days Yusuf will complete the remaining work, remaining goals? 60 divided by 12, 5. In 5 days, Yusuf will complete the remaining goals. Easy. Easy. Again, I will read the question and just rethink whatever I have written on the board. ठीक है. A can do a piece of work in 20 days. A can do a piece of work in 20 days. Okay. I'll use another color. Color किधर है बे? A can do a piece of work in 20 days. First thing. And B can do in 12 days. B can do in 12 days. B worked at it for 9 days. ठीक है. B worked at it for 9 days and completed 180 unit of work. ठीक है. In how many days A alone can finish the remaining work? In A alone can finish. Remaining work is 60 and A's efficiency is 12. So the remaining work will be completed in 5 days. Any doubt? Pakka? Because when I'm explaining, we took a little bit difficult example. That's why you're being confused. But what we will do is, we will again go for a simple example. Okay, we will. मारेगा ना पकड़ के. Very good.
Five into nine. ऑलरेडी बी ने काम कर दिया है. ए आया. ए का कितना
Okay, I'm going for one of the easiest question. ठीक है. If a work can be completed by A in 30 days, A 30 days. Always make this table. Always. Always means whenever this A B type of questions are there. Always make this table. A completes the work in 30 days and B completes the work in 60 days. ठीक है. 60 days. Then the number of days taken by them to finish the work working together is. That means we have to find A plus B. Right? We have to find A plus B. No, not we cannot add days. Always remember, write it everywhere, wherever it is possible. Never add or subtract days. only add or subtract efficiency.
तो कितना फाइनल चीज क्या है? क्या फाइंड आउट करना है?
A plus B.
3
Hmm?
3
A plus B 3 है.
एफिशिएंसी मतलब दोनों का एफिशिएंसी मिला के होगा।
Efficiency मिला के 3 है. Yes. Number of work कितना है?
फाइनल क्या है मतलब वो?
Days taken by them to complete it. ठीक है. Always remember this wherever. मेरे को तो ऐड हुआ है. कल्पक भाई. Hello Kalpak. After a long time.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. ठीक है. You have to find this x. I'm erasing this because I need that space. Sorry. Days. Total work. What will be the total work?
20 days.
Aren, what I'm asking, you are giving the answer. Isha, what is this? Hmm. What will be the total work? Total work is the LCM. LCM is 60. What is LCM?
Learning about
Like the same way.
total
1800. Okay. चलो. 1800. ठीक है. Efficiency of A. Efficiency of A is 60. Efficiency of B 30. A plus B efficiency 90. When you will divide 90 to total work, you will get the number of days 20. Got the answer? This is that simple. And every sum is that simple. ठीक है. नीचे का को बैठेगी. उम्र हो गया है सबको. है ना. When you will क्या हुआ? गोलकीपिंग किया क्या?
आधा घंटा बनाया
गोलकीपर को भी भगाते क्या?
वो मानना है कि
अभी चालू किया मैं टीचिंग सीख रही पर अभी बॉयज टीम में नंबर की जिन बॉयज के साथ टीचिंग कर रहा था क्योंकि सबसे बड़ी मैं
हाँ. In every other sum of time and work, you have to do the same thing. But what you have to do extra is, like, except for this part, the box part, what you have to do is, there might be some conditions given. Okay? Like in the previous question, we have seen that B is working for 9 days. That means B will work for 9 days. That means what? B will do this much amount of, this is per day work. Per day work done by A or B or C or whatever. Okay? That is the per day work. So if he or she is working for 9 days, if he or she is working for 9 days, then just tell me like what will be the thing. It will be like 9 multiplied by per day work. Hana? 9 multiplied by per day work. If you are going to school for what? 6 hours per day. For a week, how many hours you are going? 6 into 6? 36. Right? In the same way, this is also done. So, like in the previous question, it was like for 9 days B is working, and then the remaining work is done remaining work is done by A. So what we have to find out is total number of days. That's it. So we have to just think about the condition, and what we have to do. We have to multiply, add, divide. Whatever we have to do is that thinking process come in the next part, in the second part of the question, not in the first part. In the first part, always make this box, solve it. always find this LCM or whatever you want, and whatever you can call. This is the common multiple, and then find the efficiency and then solve. Khatam. If this is wrong, everything is wrong. चालीस मैं इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ, मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है कि इंग्लिश में बंदों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मुश्किल ज्यादा है ना? Not at all. Okay, gentlemen, then we will go for the next sum. I hope you all want to become a gentleman, right? Gentleman cadet. GC. Who is a GC? अरे
और गर्ल्स के लिए भी वही रहता है, जेंटलमैन का भी।
लेडी कैडेट LC.
हाँ,
Hmm? GC is gentleman cadet.
I can't be gentleman.
How gentlewoman cadet? Yeah. A can do a piece of work in 6 days. A can do a piece of work in 6 days. A plus B can do it in A plus B can do it in 2 days. So it is evident. B alone can do it in how many days? Find it out and tell me the answer. Yes. कैसे?
LCM of this number is when subtracted from A plus B minus A, then we'll get the value of B divided with the LCM, we'll get the answer. Okay. तो पता है अभी अग्निवीर वालों को ना जब अगर उनकी डेथ वगैरह होती है, मतलब कुछ होता है कैजुअलिटी वगैरह होती है, तो उनको सलामी देने के लिए आर्मी नहीं जाती,
फिर
कोई नहीं जाता, आर्मी से एक बंदा भी नहीं जाता, सिर्फ उसकी डेड बॉडी घर तक पहुंचाई जाती है, ना उसको सलामी मिलती है ना कुछ। इतना बुरा किया है, कम से कम ही डिजर्व तो सलामी। उसमें अग्निवीर चालू होते ही अपनी जान गंवा दी, कम से कम उसकी सलामी तो मिलनी चाहिए।
कौन बोला पर ये ऐसा कोई नहीं जाता?
पहले केस हुई ना अभी जम्मू कश्मीर में, पहला अग्निवीर शहीद हुआ था तो उसको कोई सलामी नहीं मिल रही थी, पर खूब पड़ी। तो आपसे किसी भी अग्निवीर कैडेट को सलामी नहीं मिलेगी अगर वो शहीद भी हो गए। ये नहीं होना चाहिए, वो कम से कम एक सलामी तो डिजर्व करता है ना, कि उसने इतना कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन किया करके।
Got the answer? Okay, see. Days. Yusuf. Answer. हाँ? Total work. Efficiency. कुछ गलत लिखा है? कुछ गलत लिखा है क्या?
का ये 6 2 हाँ बराबर
ठीक है. हाँ, अभी क्या होगा? टोटल वर्क क्या है? व्हाट इज द टोटल वर्क? 6 into 2. 6 into 2. Direct. That is 12. ठीक है. Efficiency of A is 2. Efficiency of A plus B is 6. So A plus B is equal to 6. A is equal to 2 plus B is equal to 6. So B is equal to what? B is equal to 4. A plus B is equal to 6. A plus B is equal to 6. A's value is 2. A's value is 2. B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4. Now when you will divide this from total work, you will get what? The number of days. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Got the answer? What happened? എന്ത് മിസ്സായി? എവിടെ മനസ്സിലാവാത്ത? ആ अच्छा okay. We solved for the efficiency. ठीक है. Then what happens? Then what happens is we have A plus B. A plus B. As I told, always add and subtract what? Efficiency, not days. ठीक है. So what we will be adding is efficiency. A plus B is equal to what? 6. हाँ ना, A plus B is equal to 6 ना. A plus B ന്റെ വാല്യൂ എന്താ? 6 ആ. എഫിഷ്യൻസി എടുക്കണം. ആ, ഇത് രണ്ടിനെയും സൈഡിൽ വെക്കുക. ഇത് വരും സോൾവിങ്ങിന് വേണ്ടിട്ടാ. ആ ആ A plus B 6 കിട്ടി. എഫിഷ്യൻസി ഇത് ഇവിടുന്ന് അവിടെ. ആ, മനസ്സിലായ മുഴുവൻ? आज कुछ आज कुछ ज्यादा ही स्टाफ का मैसेज आ रहा है मेरे को. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओए अग्निवीर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ये हो गया. A plus B and A, B and C can do a piece of work in 4 days. Now nothing. Same formula, bus A plus B plus C is there. Means 3 people are doing. C. A plus B plus C can together do the work in 4 days. ठीक है, A alone can do it in 12 days. A alone can do it in 12 days. And B alone can do it in 18 days. Sorry. B alone can do it in 18 days. In how many days C alone can do it? ओए ओए ओए,
नहीं नहीं, वो नहीं है ना।
देखा देखा देखा, फोन दे। पेपर में फोन काम नहीं आएगा, फोन लेके जाएगा तो तू दुनिया से लापता हो जाएगा फिर। ओए, LCM, how to find out the LCM? As I have told you, multiply all the number. Hmm? Hmm. Hmm? Difficult? अरे अभी मैं फिर से 5th क्वेश्चन पे गया हूँ। 5th क्वेश्चन। हाँ। अरे कल्पक, समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर, आ रहा है समझ में।
ओ बाप रे, पूरा लेक्चर कर रहा है, इतना ईमानदार होना चाहिए बस। 11th वाला है ना? 11th में है ना कल्पक?
क्या हुआ सर?
11th में हो ना तुम?
नहीं नहीं सर,
फिर
मैं तो 12 प्लस हूँ सर।
12th प्लस? अच्छा, फिर ये टाइम एंड वर्क क्यों कर रहे हो फिर?
उस सर ने दे दिया, बोले बेसिक्स कर ले थोड़ा सा।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है ठीक है, बैठ जा बैठ। हाँ, अभी कल्पक मेरे को LCM बता, 4, 12 और 18 का। कहाँ का? ए, सर्च मार के मत बताना। ये गायब हो गया। LCM मिला? LCM मिला? जैन, LCM? अच्छा, यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग इट 4, 12, 18, है ना? सी, when there are three values na, always see if one of the number is in the other's table. ठीक है? So here na 12 is in 4's table. So if you will multiply 12 and 18, you will get the value. You don't have to multiply it again by 4, because 12 is what? 12 is what? What we want is it should be divisible by this number. That's it. Nothing else. Whatever value we are going to write here now as LCM, it should be divisible by 4, it should be divisible by 12, and it should be divisible by 18. That's it. Nothing else. We don't want anything else. This is what we want. ठीक है? So 12 can be written as 3 into 4. That means whatever number is going to be multiplied by 12 and 18, that is also divisible by 4. Right? Now find the LCM. 12 into 18. Not LCM, but 12 into 18. But you have to, tables. Tables. 12's table. What is 12 table? Can you please recite it? 36. 36 is in 18 stable also. 18. 18 into 2, 36. In 4 stable. In 4 stable. Reset 4 stable.
4 into 3, 4 into 3, 12.
I want 4 stable alone. 4, 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12. 36. 36 is in also in 4 stable. So what will be the LCM? 36. Yeah. If you know the table, just think for a while now. Huh. That is LCM. Common number in every numbers table. ठीक है? In these numbers tables. क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारा? मैं तो भगवान से बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई लेक्चर खत्म हो जाए फिर मैं तुम लोगों को गालियाँ दूँ. Then now efficiency 36 by 4. Where are you from? Kozhikode. 9. Efficiency of A 3. Efficiency of B 2. We don't know the efficiency of C. Again, what I have told, addition will be of efficiency. So A plus B plus C is what? 9, right? What is the value of A? What is the value of B? Wow, nice. Very good. C is equal to 4. Now 4 divided by 36 is days. Right? Efficiency divided by total work is days. Means C's efficiency is 4 na. And this divided by this is the days we will get. 9. Okay. Any doubt? Pakka. I will give you some questions, few questions, and you have to solve. I will also give you some time for that. Okay? And try to solve it in as soon as possible. Like what? हाँ. A and B. A plus B can do a piece of work in 12 days. No, don't write this. That was a difficult one. So A plus B can do a piece of work in 8 days. B plus C can do a piece of work in 12 days. ठीक है? And A plus B plus C can do a piece of can do that piece of work in 6 days. In how many days A plus C will finish this? कब से बंद है?
अरे
कब से बंद है?
ये कब बंद पड़ गया था?
नहीं पता। मैं वो बंद ही नहीं पड़ा है, कब से चालू ही है?
म्यूट कब पड़ा है इसको?
नहीं पता, पर आवाज।
जब भैया कॉल आएंगे तब म्यूट किया रहेगा आपने। नहीं बीच में बात भी तो किया था।
हाँ, बात किया था ना।
वो पांच बीच वो है लाइव एक आया ना जूम पे।
बात तो किया था। हाँ, बात किया था ना।
सवाल बंद है आपका।
ये अपने आप बंद हो
बीच में पड़ गया
गया सच?
ऐसे बंद पड़ गया था क्या? मैच से बंद गया था।
क्या
बीच में तो आया था।
मैच से बंद है? नहीं, मैंने बात किया था, देखा। एक मिनट, मैं ये पहले बता देता हूँ, उसके बाद करते हैं, ठीक है? तो a प्लस बी का एफिशिएंसी इज 9। इन तीनों का एडिशन है ना। दिस प्लस दिस इज 9। 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 72। यू आर ओनली मिसिंग दिस 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 72, है ना। एफिशिएंसी डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल वर्क। अरे यार, गॉट द आंसर। ठीक है, वी विल गो देयर नाउ एंड वी विल स्टडी।